resurrection of the afterlife. Eternity is paradise. Transform my kind to perfect intelligence with knowledge divine. The dark moon strikes light to project an image when the mirror reflects wise. Acquisition, inspiration, awkward position of transformation, madness manifestation, decision of hallucination creation, bestowed vision sight, werewolves like in sheepskin quivers to dodge bullets made from quicksilver, bewildering anthropomorphism under the influence of lunacy, emotions, ocean, controls the tide to flood the Nile with a tsunami. It's a breeze that whines, anagram wins, to bite the dust and make the crescent shine. In the eclipse shade, leap year season, to meet the Sherman cannibal that lost his reason. For Luna's future is vital in survival of the never-ending cycle of fire and blade at the crater that cradles nocturnal creatures, overwhelmed by powers of the unconscious mind. Prayers of the dead embodies the soul collector, moonwalking extra miles, as repelling the force of gravity with a wild card in the terrace mystery. Oracle, open your eyes to fool the new crescent bloody moon, waxing the dark blue eclipse, warning lunacy at noon. To fool the new crescent bloody moon, waxing the dark blue eclipse, warning lunacy at noon. To fool the new crescent bloody moon, waxing the dark blue eclipse, warning lunacy at noon. To fool the new crescent bloody moon. I'm sorry. My writing here is